present. Okay, now let's go to the next topic, that is image map. Okay, image map. For this, we'll first know what are the attributes and what are the tags used in this, and then we'll go on further and I'll explain you in detail also. Okay, for this, the tags used in this are map, okay, and another one is image, img. These are the two tags which are most important for this image mapping. Okay, image map is also known as image mapping. Okay, and the tags inside this are name. Okay, this name will be used inside the map tag itself. Okay, and not in this image. Okay, and some other tags are used. Other tag which is used is area. Okay, this area will have some attributes which I will tell you. Okay, the attributes are shape, chords, again alt, and href. Why this 4? What's the use of this 4? We'll know it with an example. Okay, for this, first we need to create an image in a paint. Okay, so I have already created an image of circle, triangle, and a rectangle. Why only these shapes? Okay, I'll tell you that first. Now I told you there's an attribute shape. In this attribute there are 4 types of shapes. One is the rect, the second one is the poly, third one is the circle, and the fourth one is the by default, that is the normal link working. Okay, this defines the default defines the entire region. Rect is rectangular, poly is polygon, and circle is circle. Okay, so that's the reason I have created these 3 images: circle, triangle also known as poly, and one is rectangle. So now first thing what we are supposed to do is take chords. What is chords? Now let's go. The next attribute is chords. So for circle we will take 3 chords. Which 3? Okay, I'll tell you in that. The center, which will have 2 chords, and from there you will take an radius. Okay, center, see here. So center is here exactly. Unfortunately the triangle is meeting at the center. Okay, so it's minus 135 and 147. So that's the first one for this, right? So let's even give that 135 and 35, 147. And from here we'll go to the radius. Take it to any direction as you feel. Okay, so I'm taking towards my left. So it's the here, even the coordinates will change, but one coordinate will remain same, because when we take to the distance center, anyhow we are just moving one side, we are not going up and down. So one of the chord will be same, and that will be this 147. Okay, so let's go. 147 and I think 64. Okay, 147 and 64. So here we don't need to repeat this 147, we'll just write 64 because circle just needs 3 chords. Okay, now the next one which we'll do is for the poly. Okay, poly will take 6 chords. Why 6? Because it has 3 edges, and all 3 edges will be having 2 coordinates in the radius, right? So 3 into 2, which will lead is equals to 6. Okay, that's the reason we are getting 6 of the chords. Okay, now we'll see what is that. So for that 6, one we already got for the circle center. Okay, so we'll just copy that. That is 147 and 135. Okay. Now the next 2 will be this, and that is 204 with 36. 36. And the next one is 273 with 148 or 147. Okay. Please see here for the chords. Okay, please don't just zoom out. It's here. You'll be able to see the chords over here. Okay. See 147 or 6. Okay, 147 with 274. 147 with 274. You may ask, why is it 274? Okay. Here 147 is getting repeated. The basic thing is, here it's in circle, it just needs center and radius, that's it. There's no another direction for it. But when it comes to poly, it should be a closed figure. So all the three shapes, when they meet, they get a closed figure. Okay, now let's go for the next one, that is rect. Rect will have 4, okay, 4 chords. We'll just consider 2 edges. 2 into 2 will get to 4. So which 2? This one and the opposite one, not the adjacent one. Please know this, will not take the adjacent one, you will take the opposite chords, okay, opposite corners. So I'll take this first, okay. So this is 138 and 166. 138 and 166, and the second one is 344 and 267. 344 and 267. Okay, with the help of these chords we will make image mapping. What is image mapping? Image mapping, on the click of this shapes, it will be redirected or navigated to some other page or some other document or something else which we connected with. Okay, now let's see an example for this also. Okay, now the next one. Okay, for this we'll just omit this, will not make use of this anymore. First img. Okay, here you will give that image name, that is the image. Okay, save this with .png and get this out in the same path location. Okay, so I have brought it as mappings.png. so I will take this over there. Okay, in src mappings.png. okay, then I have used alt, which will tell, oh I'm so sorry, okay, I have just given maths, and here we'll make another. This is very important, I'm sorry I forgot to mention this attribute, use maths. What will be coming here I will tell you very shortly, wait. Okay, now next, here we'll make use of the tag map. Inside this, here name, we'll give name for this map, and the name is map. Okay, I'll give mapping. Okay, now what will be here in this use map, you will give this name, just copy and paste it with an hash. Okay, so we are telling that for doing this process, please use the map, that is under this we'll write the chords, we'll write the shapes, we'll even href over here, we'll give the href attribute, everything will be here. So we are telling this image that make use of this mapping part. Okay, so the next tag is area. Inside the C, automatically you got shape, chords and href. These are the 3 attributes which we are going to use. So first I will do for circle. Okay, and the chords we have already got it, right? Just copy paste it. Here is the chord. Okay, I'll show what should be in the href. Wait. Okay, and the next is my poly. Even for this we have got the chords. Just copy paste the chord. Okay, and the third one which we are going to use is rect. Okay, please be careful with the chords, number of chords which is supposed to be mentioned. Okay, else you will not get the output as desired. Now here I would like to give HTTPS. Okay, www.google.com. And we'll even make use of the target attribute which I have taught you already. Okay, blank. And over here we'll give something else, https .youtube.com. okay, I'm not given any target over here. Oh sorry, http. Okay, now here we'll give some other link place of the file. Okay, so I will like to give index or intro, something like that. Okay, then let's give index. Index.html. Okay, I hope you all got it. We will be giving the use map name as the name which I have given here. Okay, mapping with an hash. Okay, and this will be the image for which you have written these codes and for which you have given these circles and everything. Okay, now let's run this. I already got it. When you take it over that, the mouse is turning to a, oh yeah, there's a problem over here. Okay, these two are working properly. Okay, let's see what mistake we have done in this. 2, 4, 6. I think we have wrote it full. I'm sorry, another direction. 2, 7, 4. Okay, let's hope for this. I will get it. Okay, yes, we got it. Okay, now when I click on this, we'll go to Google, on this we'll go to YouTube, and on this we'll go to the index.html page. Okay, yeah, in that index.html page, this is a linked page. This is the content which is over there. Okay, and okay, so my internet is off, so it's okay, but we got the output as desired. Okay, so the basic thing is that this is page map, image mapping, that we are giving some codes and we are saying that on the click of these codes I need something else to be displayed. Okay, so each and everything will be as similar as it. Please make note of these codes, the number of codes which is supposed to be inside it, else the output will be not as per our desired thing.